In this video, I will explain many technical terms like data validation, sponsor, V-bonus, overrides, standard adverts, guaranteed sales, and 10x faster. Also, how you can use and apply them to maximize your online income. Also, you will understand how some of us can become millionaire using 5 billion sales in shortest amount of time. Please watch the full video to understand how to earn and maximize your online passive income using 5 billion sales platform. We have long been accustomed to working in the traditional way. Many of us wake up to the sound of the alarm clock every morning. We get to the office after a painful journey in a bus or train full of passengers, or we drive cars to the office every morning while the roads are full of cars which are driven by half asleep and half awake people. We work like slaves in factories, warehouses, and offices from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. This life cycle continues until we reach 65, and then we retire. And some of us are a bit unlucky, and we have to work till 70 because of our financial situations. What a painful life. That sounds terrible, right? What if I tell you, you can make money from anywhere at any time even while you are sleeping, and can become a millionaire in less than 2 years? That's what 5 billion sales affiliate marketing is all about. 5 billion sales is an advertising platform. It is all about earning money through advertisements. 5 billion sales is a great way to increase your income and generate online revenue. It's extremely beneficial for every one of us around the globe who eagerly wants to earn money and become wealthier in the shortest amount of time. If you follow the instructions of 5 billion sales and understand the 5 billion sales earning model correctly, you can go from nothing to millionaire in less than a year or two. We will be witnesses and will see that many people will have become millionaires, and many will be closer to becoming millionaires using the 5Billionsales.com platform. In this video, we will show you different ways how to make money using 5Billionsales.com. These are the 5 best ways. If you combine them together, you can make a lot of money using the 5 billion sales platform. Number 1. By joining 5 billion sales and browsing the internet using their extension, you can earn $1.10 per day or $401.50 per year. Number 2. V-bonus. By validating your data, you can earn 50 cents per day or $182.50 per year. Number 3. By sponsoring new members, you can earn $100 per year. Number 4. By getting more and more overrides, $5 per member from level 2 to 16. Number 5. By buying adverts. You can buy standard adverts. For example, it will increase your YouTube views up to 1 million after buying one advertisement of $260, etc. Or you can signing up for guaranteed sales. You will earn approximately $102,000 after purchasing one or more advertisements, each worth $260. Please watch the full video till the end. I am going to explain all of the above 5 key points one by one. Let's start with the first key point. By joining 5 billion sales and browsing the internet using their extension. How it works. Number 1. You will be referred to the 5 billion website by an affiliate called your sponsor. Number 2. Register so that you can get paid for your browsing data. To join 5 billion sales, click the link in the description. Number 3. Preferably use a Gmail email to register or join with 5 billion sales. Number 4. And number 1. Step 1. Complete your data profile. Step 2. Download a browser extension. Step 3. Install the browser extension and start browsing the web. Step 4. Log in and validate your first browse data. You can earn $1.10 sell data income daily by browsing the internet using their web extension. The second key point is V-bonus. You can earn extra money every day by validating your data. How it works. Number 1. You can increase your monthly earnings by validating your browser data. Number 2. Each day you have to validate your browsing data from your dashboard. If you do so, they will pay you an extra 50 cents per day or $182.50 per year. Number 3. Your sponsor can speed up your sell data income by activating the 10x faster feature. The third key point is by sponsoring new members. How it works. Number 1. Talk to your friends, relatives, and use social media, and let the people know they don't have to spend anything and get paid for their data. Number 2. If you refer someone, and they join 5Billionsales.com under you, then you will get $100 per year. You can sponsor as many people as you can, and you can earn multiple numbers of $100. The fourth key point is by getting more and more overrides. $5 is override commission for one member from level 2 to 16. How it works. Talk to your direct members or affiliates at level 1 whom you have sponsored to make at least 2 members each. If level 2 members sponsor 2 new members each, and if this pattern continues from level 2 to 16, then you will have a total of 131,068 members. 131068 times $5 will be $655,340 per year override commission. By overrides commission you can earn $54,611 per month or $655,340 per year. Try to expand your network to increase your earning possibility from the overrides feature. If your network is big, you can earn thousands of dollars from overrides income, which is $5 for each member from level 2 to 16. The fifth key point is the most beneficial part, where we can make a lot of money. The first part of the fifth key point is by buying advertisement as a standard advert. How it works. If you are a YouTuber or using some other social media platforms to earn money, this deal is one of the best deals you can have ever. You just buy one advertisement or advert of $260 from your dashboard. 5Billionsales will generate 1 million views for your video or 1 million traffic for your websites. It means 5Billionsales will send 1 million people to watch your video or websites. Your websites get hit, your videos watching hours will increase, your subscribers will increase, your video rank will be promoted, and you can easily earn from $1,000 to $2,500 or more depending upon the websites or content category of the video. If you are not YouTuber and don't publish videos or other web content, you can contact those people who want more traffic to generate on their websites, or who want SEO service for their videos or websites. You can put their websites or video link in your advertisement, and in this way they will get huge profit. These businesses will also pay you for your great service. The best part of this feature is if 5Billionsales cannot meet the target of 1 million clicks or views on your videos or websites, then you will get a free update for your advertisement, and you don't have to pay for the same advertisement. They will try again to generate 1 million traffic for your, free of cost. Isn't it unique? I have never seen such an amazing offer. Buying advertisement as a guaranteed sales advert. How it works. If you have an online store, e-commerce store, eBay store, Amazon store, Shopify store where your customers buy online, you can buy one or more adverts for each of your products. 5Billionsales will send thousands of users to your websites, and they will guarantee you $155,000 net profit within 90 days. But you have to pay 34% of your net profit to 5Billionsales.com. If 5Billionsales can't meet the target of $155,000 net profit, then all profit is yours, and you don't need to pay 34% of your net profit. For example, if you make a net profit of $150,000, not $155,000, you don't need to pay 34% because they did not meet the target of $155,000, and then all profit is yours. If you don't have any store or e-commerce site, then you can promote other people's business in your advertisement. As soon as they will reach the target of $155,000, you will get $20 as a commission, and when they will pay 34% to 5Billionsales from their net profit, you will get another $1,000. So, in total, you will get $1,020. Also, if they could not meet the target, they will run your advertisement campaign free for the next 90 days. This is an amazing opportunity for those who run online e-commerce stores or businesses. Finally, let's see what is 10x Faster. 10x Faster is a feature for faster payment. When your sponsor activates 10x Faster feature, then you will get the following benefits. 1. Your sell data income will be paid monthly in equal amount after the first payment. The first payment depends on how many days it is being paid for. 2. Your V bonus will be paid faster, and will be paid together with sell data. 3. Your payment date will be March 23rd, if you register before this date. 4. Once you get paid faster due to 10x Faster feature, it will be for life. Your payment won't get slower. Are you still thinking about becoming a member or not? Stop thinking too much. There is nothing to lose except to gain. Do not miss this opportunity. You do not have to pay anything. Join 5Billionsales free and earn every day from $1.60 to thousands of dollars. All depends upon how many members you have in your network and how many service levels you are using to earn from 5Billionsales.com. Do not miss this incredible online earning opportunity. Good luck! If you like this video, kindly like and subscribe to my channel Global Knowledge Share for new upcoming videos on 5Billionsales, education, business, and technology. Thank you.